Hi, I'm Justin Vandenberg, and this is ABC Seamless.
ABC Seamless has been in business for 40 years in Sioux Falls. They're located near Russell Street and Minnesota Avenue, just south of the airport.
The ABC Seamless franchise was started in Fargo, North Dakota, and Brad Halverson was one of the first four to come on right when it started, so he's one of the originals and has been with it ever since. And that's a real benefit for our customers. With Brad being here almost 40 years now, one, it's a company that you can trust, and two, just the experience we've gained over those 40 years, there's really nothing you could show us that we haven't seen before.
ABC Seamless takes care of the entire exterior of the home, including Renewal by Andersen replacement windows, siding, soffits, fascia, gutters, replacement entry doors, and roofing.
Renewal by Andersen is the replacement window division of Andersen Windows and brought to you exclusively by us, ABC Seamless here in Sioux Falls. We don't always have to take the whole window out. Sometimes you can put a new window in without having to mess with any of your interior woodwork, then change any of that, so we can change a few things out, give you all the new features of a new window, but not the whole process of tearing your whole wall apart. What that means for the homeowner is that they get all the benefits of a new window without some of the costs that come along with having to replace everything. We can work with pretty much any budget. If you want to do just one window or a whole house of windows, we can work with that. We have a lot of homes where we do one side of the house each year. I really encourage people to come down to the showroom because you can put your hands on the windows, you can actually operate them. We have everything set up so it looks like it would be in your home. So you can get a good visual outside, inside of what the finished product will actually look like. What inspires me is getting to be part of these transformations with the homeowner. We sit down together, go over designing a whole new home pretty much for them, and then when the process is done, just how excited they are at the end to see their new home, to show it off, and just how happy and proud they are at the end of the project.
Let's go take a look at one of ABC Seamless's window projects that used Renewal by Andersen replacement windows.
And now we're at a project that we just recently completed here south of Brandon. This was a pretty standard project. There were a few unique things that we did encounter along the way. And we put in a new bay window that was designed differently than the one they had before. We had to build a roof and encompass all that in. And then their entry door too has just a single entry door, so we reframed it, did all the work to put in a double entry door to really change the front of the house. When we sat down and we put the whole project together, they had some really good ideas on what they were looking for, and we're just here to help that process. So a few things that over time we've learned and really can help guide in certain directions, but we always want it to be the look the homeowner's going for and to make sure when the project's done, they really love what we did for them.
Working with ABC Seamless was as smooth as it could be. We had some pretty good ideas of what we wanted to do, but we really couldn't put it all together. We needed a professional to come in and give us some guidance. When we had questions about what we wanted to do with our house, it was unbelievable, the support and the information that we got from ABC Seamless, especially Justin. The quality of the work makes a big difference. This house is an investment, just like everybody's home is, and if it's going to be done, I want it to be done well, and they checked all the boxes. I would recommend ABC Seamless to anybody that's looking to do home improvements. They were here when they said they were going to be here. They did a fantastic job. Our house looks like it's brand new. I mean, it's a complete overhaul. We couldn't be happier.
The reason we really think Renewal by Andersen is the best product on the market is not only the makeup of the product, but the whole process to go with it. So it's a great product, but we control the process from start to finish to make sure that things are installed right and the whole process goes smoothly, and then we guarantee that for 10 years for the labor and then 20 years for the product.
And you don't need to save your window installation for the summer months. Unlike most companies, ABC Seamless can install replacement windows year-round. That's because the composite material the windows are made of can handle any conditions.
The best way to get started is to give our office a call, set up a time for one of our design consultants to come out, take a look. It's a no obligation estimate. We'll sit down with you and really look everything over and make sure we design the project exactly the way the homeowner likes. Or if you want, you can go to our website and really look everything over there first and then give us a call. The best reason to choose ABC Seamless and Renewal by Andersen for your siding and window replacement needs is not only the quality, but the whole process to go with it. And we're really proud that we're a family company and have been in Sioux Falls 40 years now. And we want to be here 40 years to come, so we want to make sure every project is done right and every customer feels like they're treated like family.